You silly McBilly. Did you not know I had my ult?
Lipta.
Going in. Oh gosh, he just charged right out the room. That's not how you solve problems. I mean, it could be,
take some prisoners.
but this is a.
Gotta build me some backup.
I reloaded when I was only missing one bullet because.
We got each other's backs.
Our purple guardian has been defeated.
Man, he gets me out of a lot of situations.
He seems legit. I believe that's the way back. We don't want that.
For so long, I feel bad about not helping her.
I'm gonna try to go.
Thought she would have died a long time ago. She's gone now.
$10 card. Did you just buy the $10 card? You did. I just put that there, sir.
Area.
I've never tried that, but that sounds brilliant.
Yeah, I think that was a strat I've seen some do. Right now, the big thing is the ult McGinnis, because McGinnis's ult's kind of disgusting. By at least 10%, so that means we have at least a 10% spirit advantage right now.
Yeah, we do. It's 90 to 100.
Turrets online. They're up.
Warden is on blue now. I don't see Kelvin.
Yeah, bone girls are one shot.
I threw a bomb green to help it clear, and then I went blue.
All right, buddy, give him hell. Who needs to be patched up? Sending out a wall.
I see great talent.
I soloed in fairness. Haha.
Get him.
Hopefully I'll be able to get this walker here.
Absolutely.
Yeah, that's wild.
Good luck with that, brother.
That's exactly what I told
Oh,
Mayo.
they're gonna get
Yeah.
me. They got me.
Literally has force pieces floating behind her. And then now we're gonna be going for the prime energy. It almost seems like the Triforce hasn't been formed yet, and that's what we're gonna end up doing. There we go. Oh, 7. Has everything set up.
Oh yeah, dude. Those turrets are nasty. Seen the McGinnises that run like that ability that lets you refresh, and I think it gives you
Send them out a wall.
I see great talent.
I'm gonna come
I-
wreck your.
Oh no, I'm not that guy.
Oh. You got the purple thing, right?
I got the purple cone in front of me that does a lot of damage and life steals a ton.
So I had the right alt in my head, but the wrong sound effect.
Yeah.
Where did this go, bro?
Here's your chance to shake.
Oh, he's not actually moving. Forgot about that. He's immobile, so that's not gonna work. I think I just gotta jump.
Repulse has arrived.
We're alive. There we are. You there?
Yeah.
Cool. I need
At the end too.
She's getting healed though.
but I mean, at this early in the game, that's quite a bit apparently. Oof. We're dying everywhere.
Our purple guardian's been defeated.
Blue Guardians.
That
still
we
up.
are.
This is just the beginning.
Operation Save Purple Walker was a success. Well, I have enough for a big item.
Ooh, that's a nasty haze. Get it, get it, get it. Turrets, get her, get her. Oh. She had such low health. Oh my gosh. for health. Sorry. Man, if only we had another Persian on comms.
I don't think that could be.
Someone's looking to make a statement.
Yeah, why isn't Babiar staying up late anymore?
We're staying in this fight. Gotta get as many of these up as I can. Time to block them off.
How late are you on tonight, Matt? Are you playing another round after this, you think?
As
Or
late as I need to be, my friend.
as late as you need
Until
to?
my eyes close. Yeah.
Okay.
My eyes closed. I don't know.
I got killed by a killing blow because the Shiv saw me low and he was like, I got you. And I'm like, Shiv, you didn't have to do that. I mean, they're down to 3 and only, well, 2 of them are on that lane with you guys right now. Guys, like seriously?
My work begins.
Happened many times to me.
That's what I'm saying. Fuck them.
Oh shit.
I feel bad, but I kind of agree.
Hands dirty.
I didn't know it was like
Yeah,
that,
we
but
all went
okay.
through it.
I didn't know it was.
Cloak immediately to get
Yeah.
out. It go in my suitcase. I can't really like. And then there's a wall that appears after I shoot it.
So, when I'm playing McGinnis, if like a Bebop or a Haze alts, my first thought is if I put a wall right.
Going hot.
Your brilliance is the exact what McGinnis.
In this fight.
I will not be forgotten.
We got each other's back.
Disarm me like that.
Turrets up. This is just the beginning. You This is our battlefield. Gotta get as many of these up as I can.
Everything.
Hilarious. McGinnis just tried to smack me with a. I do way more of my regular shot than I do with my ult. That's kind of sad. My ult's not actually that good.
Gotta get as many of these up as I can.
I'm down.
I'm gonna push yellow. Well, yeah, I mean, to even expect me to get the hook is kind of a stretch. Got one.
Our view guardian has been destroyed.
Earlier about what is occurring in Hyrule through your hard work and determination, blah 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 blah. Still, peace has not been restored. There's work yet to be done. Again, we fought beneath the castle was an echo he was created. It's possible that the monsters that captured my friends were also echoed.
No, I'm dead.
Shiv killed them all.
Apparently.
But he's just one guy.
Hey guys,
You got
we're
another
losing the walker here. Come on.
Oh, yikes. Well, okay, 2 for 2 so far.
We should have the advantage in this fight.
There we go. The urn's running away, though.
Aaron is running away.
All right, buddy, give him hell. Gotta get as many of these up as I can.
Getting a hit. I almost feel like the Aura is the one we want. Just to replace that. That's it's another tier 3.
I got more where that came from. Has arrived.
No, somebody's been saying careful Geist, like clicking on my picture because I'm Lady Geist, like for a long time in this game. And I remarked to it, I said I am careful, and somebody said apparently not.
Oh, yeah.
I have 2 on the purple. Well, can I get some more?
The nice late game perky build.
I need like one more to have that. Need a, what is it, Mystic Reverb, then I'll be good.
Gotta get as many of these up as I can.
Hayes on our team being impressive? I don't believe.
And then well, she's behind a couple people in terms of money, but not by
Keep
much.
your head out.
I feel like they really want this Green Guardian for some reason.
The spirit urn is waiting to be claimed.
Green.
A lash
I
going
got it.
green, yeah.
Probably not wrong.
It's funny to watch turrets hit people when I'm not even around to like be fighting.
Look at all that.
Man, I wish my pot was more used.
always hate Great Talent. Who coming in? Who coming in? Oh, geez, what's a Shiv doing here? This is a Shiv on their team? Come here, boy. Teach you where you going.
Oh, you getting
Oh.
it? You're alone. You're alone.
The last rejoined.
Oh, yo, we got a ledge
But
back door.
they can.
Disarm me like that.
Turrets up.
This is just the beginning.
Oh, you came back. She
McGinnis is
missed
here.
us. Oh, wait, McGinnis was the one we laid against. And even less nothing. And if they are new players, they won't know what items to build to keep themselves in the game, just like I didn't. It's a good fix.
Who's killing blow?
Shiv.
Oh, it keeps people from getting sent into orbit.
No, he gets sent into orbit when he gets a kill with his ult. There's a bug that they fixed apparently.
Oh,
So I just imagine.
The spirit earth is waiting to be claimed.
Turrets online. Need more firepower. We got each other's backs.
the shop closed up shop.
Did. I went to the secret shop.
The secret shop that everybody knows about.
Thought my team was here,
Our blue
but they all
wall
died
is
from
under attack.
shit.
What's her ability here? Boost your fire rate. Okay.
Wall incoming.
Oh, really? I hate it when the wall
Oh,
does
no.
that.
Putting down a turret. Building a barrier. Turrets up. Who needs to be? Let's take a look at those wings. I'll give them hell.
Of course there is. Of course. Shield already. I'm not even like
Yeah.
using bullets.
It's probably just good first item.
All right, buddy, give them hell.
Home stretch. Yeah.
Woo!
A job well done.
Oh, pocket came. Whole team maybe? ground. We gotta find a well. Never mind, we gotta dance. Hold on. Get that moan crow. Get him, get him. Somebody get him. He's got no health. Get him.
I can't believe we were nervous
Yeah, they're
about
not.
fighting these people.